Going to be finishing up this order this week and getting it shipped out. A new filament so I'm running the cleaner through. Everything came out good. No clogs or anything like that. That's good. So I'm going to take this apart and figure out exactly what's going on with it. Welcome. It is Monday. Just finished up these cute little guys. I used Zyro and Bambu Lab filament on this one. I used the mint green as I showed in my last video, and then the castle brick for the shell. Looks amazing. These little guys are going to be going out in the order that I got from last week. And then on the other printer, printed some more bins, last bins. Then as for yesterday, finished up these sharks. This is all in Bambu Lab, the ash gray, the matte color. All right, so going to be finishing up this order this week and getting it shipped out, but that is going to be it for today. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Welcome. It is Tuesday morning. Just finished up some little buddy frogs. I did the green ones. This is in that mint color for Bambu Lab, the basic gradient, and this is the basic blue gradient from Bambu Labs. I'll put on the screen what the name of this is, but not a bad color. I like the green a lot better. But then I have some little buddy alligators being made. I did the same in the mint green as you guys have seen in some of my previous videos. I'm trying to do a different color. This is going to be the Bambu Lab like army green. This is all matte colors. So that's finishing up, should be done tonight. And then last night I had some just plain sharks, hammerhead sharks done in the Bambu Lab ash gray, the matte. So that's going to be it for today. I will talk to you guys probably later on tonight. Peace. Welcome. It is still Tuesday. Just finished up these little buddies as I was showing you guys earlier. Then I printed up some more of my final bins. And I think, not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure this mechanism in here is going out. It keeps saying that it's not reading the filament. So right now I'm down to just the 3. But when I pull this up some, that's the noise that it makes. But then sometimes it'll catch. So let's see if I can pull it out. Yeah, it's just not catching. So I don't know. Probably because that filament's damaged right there. But I'll get that fixed. So I'm gonna get a short made on these little guys, hopefully. And then talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Welcome. Just finished some little buddy otters. This is in the castle brick from Zyro 3D. It's a fast matte gradient. And I also printed another batch of otters. Looks like I had, this guy was loose, so his head got a little messed up. That doesn't look good. But this is going to be in the Zyro 3D as well. But this one is called Fall Leaves. So this is the castle brick. These are the colors. This spool's almost gone. As you guys know, I go through this like crazy from Zyro 3D. And then this is what the fall leaves look like. I usually print my dinos in this, like the stegos and parasaurs. Goes really good. And then I picked up a new filament from everyone. It's a standard PLA. It's called Galaxy Red. It almost looks like a silk, but it says standard PLA. So the packaging looks really, really nice. Nothing is broken or bent. Looks like it is a resealable bag as well. So I'm going to dry this. First I'm going to weigh it out and then dry it. Let's see if it says how long to dry it for. It does not say how long to dry it for. So I'm going to do standard PLA in my Polymaker dryer in this box. If you guys have watched my video on the review on this, I may have to redo another one. I love this. I love these boxes. I have about 10 of them. I need to order some more. But this is what I usually use to dry my filament, if I dry my filament. But I do want to test this out and see if I can pull any moisture out of it. I usually do on new brands, if I try new brands. For the Zyro, I've probably dried maybe 10 to 15 spools. They are already dry coming out of the box. No moisture taken out of them at all. So I'm going to try that with this one and let you guys know what it's like. But that's going to be it for tonight. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. Good morning, good morning. It is Thursday. What am I working on today? I have a new filament rack that I'm trying out. We're going to see what that's like at the end of the day. Have some little bunnies going, some little buddies, some bunny rabbits. I have 2 failures here in the front. All the other ones look pretty good. And then this new filament from everyone. This is going to be this red. Showed you guys what it looked like in the package. It's really nice. So we're going to try them out. I dried the filament for 8 hours. Normally it says 6 hours with PLA, but I just woke up, so I did the 8 hours. We were at 1,160 grams last night before I went to bed. Let's see what we're at now. 1,156 grams. That's a lot of moisture that I pulled out of there. But was it out of just the filament, or was it out of the cardboard spool as well? I have no idea. So I will probably test this brand out again, but I'm going to start some test prints with this and we're going to see what it's like. I'll talk to you later. Wonderful looking color right here. Welcome, welcome. It is Friday. Have some clogging issues going on, which I do not know why. This is the third plate I tried to print of these. I made sure that I have the correct plate in the slicer, and I do. And it's definitely not the filament because I have already been using this filament. And then, so I printed this up twice. It failed twice. I got it all cleaned up, and then I ran another print with some black PLA, some matte black PLA. And it went fine, went perfectly fine. So I tried it again, and it failed again while I was at work. So I'm going to go ahead and run some cleaner through the nozzle and see if I can get some of that cleaner that comes out, and then go from there. And hopefully I don't have a clogged extruder or anything like that. I was thinking maybe it was that RE1 filament, the red glitter that I ran through there, the red sparkle that I ran through there. But like I said, I ran the black filament through there and it worked perfectly fine. Other printer, I have some octopus little buddies going, almost done, part of another order. Then I did some otters, some bunnies for a little kid at work. She wanted a pink bunny, so I printed some up. and then some more otters, all for this big order that I have going out very shortly. But that's gonna be it for right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. So I'm running the cleaner through. Everything came out good. No clogs or anything like that. Push the old filament through and it's all coming out clear. It's all with this Zyro cleaner filament. I'm going to be using about half of this to keep running through this to make sure everything is clean. But looks like it's doing good. So I don't know what the hell is going on. I'm going to try to print the plate again. Hopefully I have some success before I go to bed tonight, because this is all I have left for this order for this last plate. Welcome. It is Saturday. Finished up some little buddy octopuses. Look at this wonderful color. Can you guys guess what filament it is? Zyro. This is Paint Splash. Can't wait to print with this again. And another plate had one failure. This is going to be with Zyro as well, which is going to be layered rock. Affiliate link below if you guys want to buy some. Helps out the channel, helps me out. There's also a discount code in there as well. If you guys use REDFIN 10, it should give you 10% off. Let me know if you guys are having an issue. But again, this color, absolutely amazing. Like I said, affiliate link below, REDFIN 10 will give you 10% discount. And like I said, I'm going to be cleaning this thing. This is my first time messing with a P1S, so I'm not going to record myself doing this, but I will let you guys know tomorrow exactly what is going on. Bunch of maintenance. Hopefully that's all it is, just maintenance. Doesn't look like anything's clogged in the head, which is good. But that's going to be it for tonight. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace. All right. I got this P1S all cleaned up, maintenance done. Cleaned all the rods, greased them. I am out of grease now, so I have to order some more. Did a firmware update. I replaced the carbon filter. Cleaned out the fans. The hot end was clogged, as you can see right there. I did have a stripped bolt to the hot end, so I replaced that. What else? I just tried to run cleaner filament through it, and it is not going through, so I think something's stuck in the extruder. My fault. I should have taken the extruder apart anyway to do full maintenance on this thing. I guess I was trying to do everything half-ass. But that's just my fault. So I'm going to take that apart. The only thing I didn't replace is the boot. It is torn. I don't have any extras, so I'm going to have to order some more for him. I replaced the tubing on top. I'm running out of that as well. I have to order some more. It's starting to cut through like the X1 carbon was. So I just went ahead and got that replaced. The back one seemed perfectly fine, so that's good. So I'm going to take this apart, figure out exactly what's going on with it. Like I said, the extruder, hopefully I don't have to replace the extruder because I don't have any more. And those things are pretty pricey, especially if I'm not charging him to take this apart. All right, took the extruder apart. There was a little tiny piece of filament stuck in there, if you can see that. So cleaned it out, running some cleaner through it, coming out good. So now I'm going to get this set up and see if we can run a print. What else are we working on today? I have some kind of display that I'm printing up. And then this is going to be the Airy One Galaxy Red. What a beautiful color. The affiliate link is going to be below for this. Use REDFIN 10 at checkout. As long as it's not on sale, you'll get 10% off. Let me know if you guys are having any issues with that discount code. Please like, subscribe, comment, and always print on my friends.